Let's add character to our backyards using solar lights. I'm Anna and I want to show different ways to highlight your outdoor space and create a cozy glow. How about we start with something basic? I want to create some soft lighting here on the patio with this really easy idea. This is a candle hurricane, but instead of a candle, I'm going to pop in a solar light. Easy, but it still looks cute. Here's another easy but super cute idea, hanging lanterns. I picked this one up at HomeSense and I picked up a shepherd's hook at the dollar store. So how would I put those two together? I think these are really cute. They're little balls of light on swaying stems. And the bottom here has a little bit of metal that's bendable. And I want to splay it before putting them out. It's just kind of like this. And then it'll just like sway in the breeze. Cute, eh? You can get these on Temu, Amazon, and I even saw singles being sold at Dollarama here in Canada. Just kind of different. Those were all store-bought, ready-to-go solutions. This next one is more of a reuse and upcycle. This is a tea light holder. Well, it was a tea light holder. It used to be a glass piece and that broke. And really the tea lights blow all the time. These are like almost 20 years old, but I still really like to use them. So here's my solution. I went to the Dollar Tree and picked up these crackle glass balls or globes. And if you just take off the stake part, you can just drop in the light. And I think this actually looks cuter than a tea light. I have 3 of these, so I'm gonna go put them out. So what if you don't happen to have 20-year-old tea light garden stakes laying around? I have a little DIY solution, but it first involves a shopping trip. Dollarama sells cedar garden stakes that are squared. And they also sell smaller ones like this one in a 4-pack. If your dollar store has neither option, you can grab a wooden broomstick handle. Over at the Dollar Tree, they have square pencil holders. They also have round ones, but I like this look. So this is kind of the finished product. It is a solar light inside of a pencil caddy attached to a wooden garden stake. But before I do all that attaching, I want to paint it all black. Once the paint is dry, attach it together with a screw. Remember to drill a pilot hole to prevent the wood from splitting. Adding a washer helps with stability. I think I need to spray paint those too. The solar lights I bought at the dollar store fit perfect. The other one that I bought at the Home Depot sat a bit high because of this plastic piece at the bottom, but it came off easily with a little hand sawing. Now they both fit. I have one more idea for adding height with solar lights. Dollar Tree sells the large light bulbs and Dollarama the little ones. They both have a hook for hanging. took this metal obelisk out of the shed and attached a larger light bulb. Although it looks really pretty with the light turned on, I wanted a more dramatic look. I tied on a few of the smaller bulbs for a cascading look. Kind of like a chandelier, I guess. I used fishing line because it's clear and you're not going to see it. Now that was an easy one. Add a light and you're done. But I do have several of these obelisks. I call them obelisks. I don't know if that's the right term, but I used to grow my tomato plants in pots before I had a garden. And this is what I would use as the trellis for the tomato plants to climb up. But I'm not doing that this year, so I thought, let's use these for something a little more decorative. So I've done the little light easy thing, and now I have another easy project. I'm gonna wrap them in fairy lights. I've had these fairy lights for a number of years. I haven't used them, so I thought, well, I don't know, let's give them a try. Now they are gold, so there'll be a little bit of gold on here. I don't know, we'll see what it looks like. So I'm just gonna wrap the entire obelisk, trellis, metal cage thing, and hopefully it looks cute. Hopefully. Okay, let's give it a try. Another simple idea to add lighting to your backyard is placing solar lights in your planters. You can also make lamps. I made this one a few years ago and it's still going. I'll have that video linked below. Puck lights placed in your landscaping add nice uplighting. To light a walkway, these small solar lights attach to a fence post and cast a soft downward glow. I hope you got some ideas for your outdoor space. Thank you so much for clicking on this video, and if you haven't already and you enjoy this kind of content, click that subscribe button. It really makes a difference to our channel and however the algorithm works. Well, with that, I'll see you soon with another project. Bye! So what if you don't have 20-year-old tea light garden stakes laying around? I think I just spit. That's gross. I'm my shopping and I have my supplies. So I start with the solar, no, this is not the solar light. Volume. Simple, I can't even, I've got too much stuff on this table. Like hot glue. Ooh. There's a lot of hot glue on this table. Okay. I don't know, give it a try. Okay, I didn't like any of that. And again. Whoa, there's a bug right in front of my face. Highlight your outdoor space and create a cozy. So good, and then I said closey. I don't know what closey. I don't know what closey is. Ah, it's kind of really warm out here. Let's see. It's definitely lunchtime. All right.